This university was founded in Morocco in 1895 by this lady right here. Started out as a large mosque and slowly became a place of education. That's why universities around the world and graduation ceremonies still carry many symbols linked to the Muslim faith. It's not by accident that people who enter Harvard Law School are welcomed by a verse of the Quran. Muslim universities in the 9th century used to welcome the best and brightest from all over the world, and Europeans used to go back and mimic the thobe and the flat cap of the Muslim scholars they have met. The flat hat represents the Quran, which students used to carry with them at all times. The tassel, the bookmark. The Quran represents the highest form of knowledge, and they could put it on their head only after graduating. You probably wonder why some Muslim students refrain from throwing their cap in the air at the end of the ceremony. That's why. To all 2023 Habesha graduates, it's only up from here.